Hey guys, today I have received this Sugar Cosmetics parcel and there are so many makeup products inside it. So let's just open this. I'm very excited to share this unboxing with you all. Here it is. These are the products. This is how the packaging looks actually. All are nicely packed. This eyebrow shaper, it's Arch Eyebrow Brow Definer. So here is the pencil and spoolie. So this is the eyebrow definer and this is the advanced version of brow pencil. So yeah, just tear this up. So this is the lip liner. It's a beautiful bronzy kind of bronzy reddish color in the shade 05. So guys, this is the eyeshadow palette and it comes in the beautiful combination of matte finish and some satiny and shimmery shades which we really need. And it's really good quality palette, so if you're looking for the eyeshadow palettes, go for it. It's so pretty and really pigmented. And next we have this foundation. So it's Drop the Base Serum Foundation guys, and it's my shade. Soon I'm going to wear in my next video. This is the sharpener. So guys, this is the Lash Mob Limitless Mascara. It's in the shade 01 Black. Next we have this Magic Wand Waterproof Concealer. It's in the shade 07 Vanilla. I was really looking forward for a light shade of concealer because I prefer to use lightest shade on as my eyeshadow base. And light shade base are really good to create colorful and pigmented and well-defined eyeshadow looks and all. So I really like to use it on my eyelid mostly. So I'll also unwrap this one. So this one is lipstick and packaging looks really premium, bronzy metallic pack. So the first thing which I like about this lipstick is the packaging. It's really premium and I have ordered this orangish reddish shades and it seems like matte finish. So I was looking forward for something bright and bold color because festive season is ahead, so I was looking for this kind of shades. And it's like velvety matte color. It's out. I prefer lightweight BB creams for my daily look sometimes. It comes with the SPF 30, so it's really good, you know, for all that sun protection and stuff. So guys, this is the primer. It's the Most Reality Blur Smoothing Primer. Let's do it. Okay. So this is how the primer looks. Wow, this is so smooth. Look at the texture of the primer guys. This seems like a tinted primer, so it means blur your pores and also your blemishes on the skin. So yeah. This one is the loose setting powder. It's Set the Tone tinted powder in the shade 10. We always need a good setting powder to set our concealers and problem area of the face. Mostly compact doesn't work for that. So I really like this setting powder. Guys, this is the mini blush in the shade 05 Coral. The shade is so beautiful. It's matte finish. I've ordered the blush also in the orangish tone and my lipstick shade as well. So I always like to, you know, match my blush and lipsticks and all. And this one is Dream Cover Mattifying Compact. It's in the shade of 15 Cappuccino. You can set your foundation and base with the compact. It also comes with the mirror. So there is one sponge also. It's really good quality sponge. And sugar is mentioned here. And that's all guys. It's everything related to your base and eye makeup. For the base we have this foundation, compact, and this is the primer and loose setting powder for the concealer, and this is the cream concealer. So these are all the products that I'm going to use on my base. And for my daily makeup I have ordered this SPF infused BB cream for my base. So these all are the products that I'm gonna apply on my base, and this one is the blusher. I've ordered few lipsticks and lip liner, mascara and the sharpener, and this is the eyeshadow palette. So that's all we need to create a good makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed watching this unboxing video with me. See you all soon in my next videos. You can watch all my other videos where I've already used so many Sugar products. You can get some idea about the shades and the swatches, and stay tuned. Soon I'm going to create some festive look with all of these products, and we will see how it works on my face and what I like. So yeah, I'll see you all soon. Bye guys.